What's going on, everybody? So I'm back in the video. Hope everyone's having a great day. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys my must-have widget for your iOS device. So this is a widget I think you guys should all consider just because of how detailed and unique it is. So we have two widgets on my homepage right here. The first one at the bottom basically shows us the activity, so the number of steps we've currently taken today, as well as throughout the week, so the last 7 days. So there's a progress bar through the November 30th to December 6th, which is today. And then at the top right here, we have a massive widget, a large widget, basically shows the weather, very detailed today as well as throughout the week. So like I said, this is a very detailed widget, has a lot of information on the weather. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get it today. There's also a couple other widgets you guys can get as well, but we're gonna be using the application called Widgets. So it is free from the App Store, no computers required, no jailbreak. So the very first thing we're going to do is go to the App Store, install this application. So I'm going to be installing it fresh for you guys. So Widget right there. I'm going to link it down below in the description of the video. So what you want to do next is go to the link down below in the description to this Twitter link. And we're going to be downloading the actual widget itself. And it's by Dr. iPhone. So huge credit to him. This is where I found it. I was just scrolling on Twitter and someone actually retweeted one of his widgets, and I thought it was pretty cool and installed it through his Dropbox link. So click on the link on his bio. It is quite large. It's about 200 megabytes because he has a bunch of other themes as well, like a bunch of Nike, Apple Watch kind of style themes on there, which you guys can kind of browse through. So you would want to click on continue through website or open it through Safari, and then continue website, and then you guys want to download it, and you guys can download it to your files application. So once you guys have done that, you guys are going to unzip the file right here. So I already have it unzipped, so it's going to come in a .zip file, and then you want to basically unzip it, and it's going to come in this folder right here, which contains 396 items. And you guys will notice that there is a bunch of themes right here. The one we're going to be basically going through is the Big Surf folder right here, which has 12 things. And there are a bunch of QR codes because that's how we're going to be installing this theme on Widget. But you guys will see this is the one I currently had earlier. I showed you guys on screen. And then here is the QR code for it, as well as a couple other ones. But once you guys have installed that, just exit out of the files application, open up Widget. If this is your very first time opening it, because I actually didn't install the application, so it's gonna be fresh for me as well. So you guys can kind of go through the video with me. Continue. Select your language for the data, measurement units, Celsius or Fahrenheit depending on where you live, and I do kilometers per hour. And then my first day of the week, I consider it to be Monday. And then continue. What you guys will want to know is to create multiple widgets, unfortunately you do have to get the paid version. It's a one-time fee. I believe it's $6.99 USD. I believe it's well worth the price just because the widget's been out for a while now. He did even state that he's been allowing everyone to use it for free for so long now, but he does want people to support him. So it is $6.99 one-time fee, and then after that you'll have unlimited access right here. So if we go to our manage, you guys will notice that it's only going to let you use one, and I believe you can get two if you rate the application, but after that you will have to actually pay for the full version, which is, like I said, $6.99, which is not too bad. It is quite pricey, but if you are going to be using a lot of widgets, it's well worth the price. So what you guys want to do first is we want to import the widgets from the files application. So what you want to do first is there's a couple ways of doing it. You guys can import them from the files app, but what I recommend doing is going to the files app right here, looking for which one you want in the QR code. So we want this one right here, right? So we want the QR code, so we want to save this section right here. So click on the little share button, and then you guys want to save the image. So I've already done that, so I'm not going to do it again, and I'm going to do another one as well. So for example, if you want this one showing your number of steps, your activity, you want to save this one. And then I am going to save one more, which I've already done earlier. So like I said earlier, this widget right here, you can make it into a stack widget, so you're going to be able to view the activity, news, system, calendar. But like I said, if you want to be able to do all four of them, you do need to purchase the full version, because like I said, you can only use you guys can only get 1 to 2 widgets if you do rate the application. So same for this one right here, the system. You want to be able to see your system, like your Wi-Fi, your battery life, your RAM usage. You guys will have to save this one right here. But I've already done all that, so just make sure you guys save all the QR codes. They're in my phone's application, which I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Right here, I have the weather one, and then I have the steps one. This is the picture that I'm gonna show you guys in a second what you'll have to do, and then here is the system one. So once you guys have done that, what you want to do is go back into Widget. We want to go to import Widget, and then we want to click on OK. We're gonna import from the QR code from our album library, so I'm gonna click on allow access to all photos. So what we're gonna be doing is selecting the QR codes. So I'm gonna select on this one right here. It's gonna ask you if you want to allow access for your motion and fitness activity, so you guys can go through here if you want to disable some of them, but I'm just going to turn all of them on. Allow. It's gonna fetch data, and then we are good to go. So we're gonna go back here, and then we've already imported the widget, so this is where all of them are gonna pop up. So we're gonna import the other two as well, like access to Bluetooth. Okay, go back, and then we'll do the last one right here, and there we have it. So what you guys want to do is, I actually imported the system one twice, but you actually want to be able to match the wallpaper, the one you currently have right here. So what you have to do is select any of the imported widgets right here, click on edit, and then it's going to ask you to add a transparent wallpaper or background, so you guys can actually choose a different one or the one you currently have. But it's going to give you a little instruction right here. It says go to your home page and enter jiggle mode. Scroll to the empty page on the far right and take a screenshot. So basically it's going to allow you to match it. I've already done that, but I'm going to show you guys again. So what you want to do is basically just go into wiggle mode, like just like this, go to the last page, take a screenshot just like this, and then what you want to do now is go back into Widget, add wallpaper, select that wallpaper right there, check it, and it's going to generate that background, and there it is. You guys will see you're going to be able to match it as your background for the widget. So confirm, and you want to do it for all other ones, which will automatically apply once you do select them. So there we have it right there, and we are done. So now what we want to do is get the widgets on our home screen. So very easy. All you want to do is go to manage right here at the bottom of the screen, and then like I said, if you want to be able to get all the slots, you will have to get the paid version. You can get up to 2 if you rate the application. So that's what I've done right now. I'm most likely going to get the full version, because I do want to kind of mess around more widgets. So if we go back to our crate, we have 2 medium widgets, and then we have 1 large one right here. So I'm gonna do one medium for now. So I'm gonna select this one right here, select where you want to put it, so you guys can move it around just like that, and then there it is. And then if we want a large one, we want to scroll all the way down to large number 1. So for some reason, like right here, it says it's not allowing us to do it, so I have to rate to unlock second slot because I've deleted the application. So I'm gonna do that real quick to get the free slot. So if we've rated the application, we can now go back, and there you guys have it. Select your large one right here. So we're gonna select this one and put it wherever you want. So I'm gonna put it at the top of the page, and there we have it. So we have our 2 slots selected, our medium and our large one. So now if we just, for example, if we want it on our front page right here, go to wiggle mode, plus right here in the top left hand corner, and then you want to scroll all the way down until you see widget, and then you want to look for that widget that you selected. So ours is going to be under medium 1 right there. There we have it. You can add that widget, allow, and then if we want to get the large one, same exact thing, scroll all the way down. It's gonna be at the very end right here, and there you guys have it. Basically we have our weather now, same exact thing as you guys saw earlier in the video. If you guys want to be able to stack this, I'm going to remove this real quick. So I'm going to remove this widget, go back into widget, and I'm going to remove the large one right here since we've only had 2 slots available. So we're going to clear it. We're going to go to medium 2. We're going to select this one, which is the system one. We're going to click on check. We're done. So now what we can do is go into wiggle mode again, go to widget. So let's step that in real quick. Go to number 2, which is the one we put it onto, add a widget, and it's gonna look like this. You guys can have it like this, but if you want to be able to stack them, just go into wiggle mode, edit home screen, and then just stack them. And there you guys have, now you have a stacked widgets right there, so you guys can go between the system and the activity. And like I said, if you want to get all 4 of them with the news and calendar, you will have to purchase the full version. But I think this is pretty cool, just being able to scroll through these widgets. But there you guys have it. Hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, drop a like on the video, hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you guys never miss a video. Let me know down below. Do you guys have any more widgets that you guys want me to check out and make a video on? Link them down below in the description and I'll be sure to check them out. So yeah guys, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in the next one.